So, hey everyone. It's been a while since I've given an update, and that's because, well, it's been hot. And um, I don't really have something esoteric to say about this, but here's how to deal with the heat if you've got a portable air conditioner. So, this is our model right here, and part of our mess. But one thing I was finding was that heat is leaking through the air hose all the time. Like if you ever just touch the air hose that the exhaust is supposed to go out the window through, you'll find it's very hot, and it's not nearly as sturdy and thick as like a dryer heat hose. So, what I did was I just took some garbage bags and I taped them over the length of it just to give it an extra barrier that the heat has to go through, and it's actually helped a lot in this area. It's really cooled it down. And I just used some masking tape to put it together. It only took about like 3 garbage bags. But the biggest difference came whenever I went to the window. And this is actually the biggest heat leak that you'll have in your whole system. Basically, in the window, whenever you put that little plastic thing that the hose goes through, there's going to be spaces around it where the heat just comes back in the window. And what I did here was I took another garbage bag, actually a Ziploc bag on this side, and some more masking tape, and I just sealed it up. And there is so much less heat coming through here now. Now, another big thing that you'll want to take a look at is, and I'll have to like poke us through the blinds here, the top of the window where you've got the window up to let the hose go through, sometimes air can leak through the crack in between the window pane and the glass. And we were getting quite a lot of heat coming in through there. So I just took, again, more garbage bags, more masking tape, and I just sealed it off like that. This is an apartment. We don't own this place, so I don't want to put down masking. I don't want to put down like duct tape or any kind of permanent fixtures. The painter's tape is actually what I'm using, and that comes up really, really easily. And then this is heat blocking, light blocking blackout curtains. So you'll notice that those come with a liner on the inside that is white and plasticky, and that reflects the light outward. And white is like 100% reflective of light, so it helps repel a lot of heat, whereas black absorbs light and absorbs heat. Anyway, that's just kind of a short look at what I've been doing to kind of keep this place cooler. Actually, around where the hose attaches, I took an extra folded up garbage bag and taped it around once because I found the heat was coming most through that area. Just kind of examine your whole air conditioner unit, the hose, how it attaches to the window and the window itself. And while the air conditioner is going, kind of put your hands around and feel for where the air is leaking through and where you feel the most heat. And whenever you find these hot spots or these air spots, just seal them up using, materials that you can remove later whenever it becomes winter and you take this all down. And that's what I've done. It's like a lot of my efforts have basically been focused on getting stuff like that done so that I can get all this unpacking done as well. So anyway, everybody stay cool out there. It's the hottest it's been since about 100,000 years, according to a lot of science. So, do your best to stay cool, be safe, take heat seriously, and hope this helps.